Hey everyone, this is Mike Johnson. I'm going to take you quickly through what Profit Marketer is and show you the sheer power of this tool. It's a huge, huge resource for anyone who wants to build a business in internet marketing and blogging. We have literally everything. As you can see just from the navigation above, you can go up in the page yourself and look through everything in this site. It's an open platform. We allow anybody to come in and look and see what we have. They just can't access member content. You can see what's here though real easily. And let's start off with the training. Now, Profit Marketer was built to be a cohesive and integrated unit. It is a lot of things that work together. It's not just a lot of random stuff thrown into it. Profit Marketer is organized in a sequence that goes through very basic levels of training down into more advanced training, bonus content, and webinar training as well. And when our members come in here, they can click on beginner level options and only see the items that we think are best for beginners, intermediate users, bonus content that we've added through our partners, and webinars that we've done. And they can cycle through that content very quickly. And then they can also, as I show you here, they can quickly go into the content and access the training very easily. Now, one of the things we've done is we've organized Profit Marketer to be in a responsive theme and have all the content for each course on a single page. So they can come in here and they can have all course content down below and the playlist of all the videos here, so they can cycle through and watch any video that we have quickly and easily. So that's where the training goes. So it trains them to become an expert marketer, authority blogger, and allows them to earn a tremendous amount of money through blogging. But none of that matters if you don't have the tools. And we've gone out and purchased a huge amount of licenses for this product to allow us to give our members items for free so they can use. And that's where you come in here and you see we have hundreds of the web's best premium themes that we've gone out and purchased licenses for. And our members can come in here and, much like the other training, they can pick different categories of themes that they can go through then and pick which themes they want to use, and so on and so forth. So it's a very, very easy to use resource. They click on a theme, they go to that page, and then can download the theme easily. As you can see here is quick download. So then, along with the themes, we have our premium WordPress plugins and our third-party plugins. It allows our members to have a tremendous amount of flexibility in the sites they create and what they do with them. And you can see here, we also have different levels of plugins, over 80 plugins in our membership, from premium ones that we've released recently, like FB Member Lock, our fan page builder with the drag and drop fan page builder, our WP Social SEO Booster, FB Review Engine, which was just released, Content FM, Spin FM, Tag FM, Cloak FM, Instant Curator, which was an extremely powerful tool we released back in July. All of these items are available for our members for free, and any new ones we add for free as well. Any new training, themes, plugins we add are all available for members for free. There's no additional cost once they become a member. Now you go into our services section from here, and we have tools that allow our members to really take their membership to the next level. What we have is WP Supervisor and Niche FM. Our Manage FM tool, which was a partnership with Manage WP, is being phased out in lieu of WP Supervisor. Niche FM is our niche research and keyword tool. It's a 24-hour-a-day niche research tool that allows our members to search through over 2 million niches that our tool gathers every day. Over 20,000 new keywords are searched each and every day through things like Amazon, YouTube, Yahoo, Google. I mean, it's searching based on criteria we've established. And you can see the green here is niches, and see it just popped down. It's actively live searching for niches that are available across the web. It gives you their AdSense value, the amount of approximate clicks you can receive on a daily basis, rank, backlinks, etc. So it's a lot of things here. And then you can use the live tool like we're on right now. You can search for individual niches, do keyword research. There's just a tremendous amount of power in this tool, and you can do quick searches for particular keywords that you want to work with. And you can see here we got green targets here that we open up and can work through keyword lists and whatnot. It's a extremely powerful tool. Now, as I cycle back to the Profit Marketer site and I go into our WP Supervisor tool, this is really the tool that brings it all together. WP Supervisor allows our members to use all the resources in Profit Marketer and really put them to use on all the blogs they own. Everything. WP Supervisor, extremely powerful. They can add websites to it, and we have a plugin that they add that links it to the WP Supervisor module. You can keep your sites up to date and be notified here of any updates any of your sites need, and you can show by websites, plugins, themes, or WordPress version itself. So anything that needs updated will be shown here. Now we get into actual installation of WordPress. That's the thing that people worry about a lot. What we have is we've developed highly optimized, SEO optimized clone installations of WordPress that allow our members to come in and clone from Profit Marketer itself. See, it's going to load it up. And you can see here we have our Profit Marketer Authority blog clone and our base blog clone that are optimized and set up, ready to be installed. All our members have to do is come in here, click install, fill in their information for where they're hosted at, test the connection, and then click clone and automatically add it to WP Supervisor, and the client plugin is also installed with it automatically. And they can do this on a new site or on an existing site. So that's a lot of power. But they can also clone from backups of their own. They can clone an existing site they already own, or they can just install the latest version of WordPress with this tool. That's extremely powerful. There's a lot of easy use here, especially for anybody that wants to buy our developer version, which allows you to build client sites and manage them, which you can do with this very easily. Now you see here in our plugins and themes management area, you have the ability to manage plugins and you have the ability to manage themes. And you can do that for all your sites at once or individual sites. And if you want to search the plugins that are actually on your site already, you just click load plugins with a blank search, and it'll go to the site and search it up and show you what plugins are currently on that blog. And then you can either activate or deactivate or whatever. You can see here I could deactivate that plugin right now on my site. Click deactivate, and it's working to deactivate that particular plugin on my site. Now, if I go into themes, I can do the same exact thing. I can manage the themes that are currently on my site. I can load the themes up to see which ones I'm using. You can see here FB Review Engine. I click on that and it shows the themes that are on there and that I have Optimized Press currently as my active theme on that site. Now if you go into the Install tab here, and this is where the real power of this tool comes in, where you can manage plugins and themes across all your blogs, an unlimited number of blogs with this tool. And you can create favorites and have a favorite list here of all your favorite WordPress plugins. You can search through the WordPress repository itself just like you can right from WordPress. You can type in SEO, search for available themes, and you could pick a theme, or you could click add to favorites, and that favorite is now going to be added to your favorites list here. And you go into my favorites, and now that is there for any time you want to use it. You don't have to go search for it. Now with what we have here is our third-party GPL themes from our theme list that I've already showed you. You can click on this, and what it's going to do is it's going to search our database, and it's going to pull up all those themes for you, and you'll be able to actually install these, add to your favorites, whatever, any of the themes that we have in our entire database that I was showing you on the other page, right from this window. Just click on install and you're done. The same thing with the theme, with the with the plugins. If I go in, I can then go into the Profit Marketer plugins or premium plugins that we've developed ourselves, and it'll load them up, and you can see here all our premium plugins, and then you can go to our WP Social plugins. You can see here FB Member Lock, Fan Page Builder, SEO Booster, FB Review Engine, and Traffic Blaster, and then all the third-party GPL plugins that we've purchased licenses for on top of that will be in this section. And you see it's loading up. And you can go and use any of those plugins. Now you can still load plugins from your computer. You can do it from a URL as well. So there's a tremendous amount of flexibility here. But then when you get into security, you can see there's a lot here. I'm not even finished yet. We can do backups, manual backups. We can do scheduled backups. You can create a new backup schedule, choose the site you want to back up, enter the details, and work from that. Okay? So it really gives you a lot of ability to back up and keep your site secure as well. And then it had the ability to manage users across blogs, and see here it's going to check my site for users to manage, and you'll see here it has me as administrator on that site. I can create a new user there. I can add different levels of users. So right here I can go add user and enter details, select a role, do all that stuff on any blog that I add to this system. So you can see there's a tremendous amount of power here in the WP Supervisor tool. Now if we go back to Profit Marketer, you know all the things we talked about, the training, the themes, the plugins, they all work together. And then you also have the Profit Marketer forum where our members come together and where we can answer questions and work with our members right here. So there you go. That is the demo of Profit Marketer. You can see there is a tremendous amount of value here for our members, and a great ability to build your business through blogging and through the tools that we have here.